Barbecue framing is not a sign that you will normally see at a car manufacturing facility. Well, this isn't a regular car manufacturing facility. This is where the all-new Mahindra Thar is built. Now you've seen tons of videos of us testing the Thar, talking about people who own the car. But how is the Thar put together? We are in Nashik at Mahindra's sprawling facility to see how the Thar comes alive. Every car or SUV starts with a roll of steel from which individual parts and panels are stamped. We start with the smaller stamped panels that go into the different jigs at different parts of the assembly process, and then they are welded together to form larger parts. Here you have the bonnet structure, firewall and the floor pan that has come together, and at this stage itself, this is unmistakably a Thar with that iconic face. This assembly now goes into the barbecue framing station where the basic structure of the Thar comes together. These are the side panels that incorporate the structure for the doors and the rear wheel arch. In this giant jig fixture, the roof structure is welded onto the body, a critical part of the manufacturing process as this gives the body strength, integrity and torsional rigidity. These are the key reasons why the Thar is now so much nicer and easier to drive. Now the unmistakable bones, the skeleton of the Thar is ready, complete with the rollover bars that you see here on the rear. This gives the body strength and excellent crash test ratings. The bodies are stacked and then sent to the assembly line for the build process, where the first quality control inspectors go to work checking if the body conforms to their standards and is within their tight tolerances. Inspectors also check the finish of the body to ensure that the Thar comes out looking flawless. In parallel, robots work on putting together the doors, a mechanized process ensuring tight fit and finish, and then the body with the doors are sent off to the paint shop. The painted body then runs down the assembly line where it comes to life. The wiring goes into it, and so do the trim elements. In the next step, the dashboard unit is fitted in.
you.